Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. In this video, we're going to be going over angles in degree, minutes, and seconds form. If you want to follow along, the links to the companion worksheet are in the description below, so let's get started. Now, minutes and seconds are just smaller subunits of something, and it's not only used for time. If you go back in the Latin, it's actually been used for a lot of things. And so the way it works is, the number of minutes is 1/60th of a degree, and the number of seconds is just 1/60th of a minute. So if we want to figure out the number, we want to write this in degrees and minutes and seconds, what we do is we look at the part of a degree, so 0.825. So we take 0.825 degrees, and we multiply that by 60. And what that's going to do is that's going to give us the number of minutes. And so we get 49.5. And we denote that with a single tick mark. And then what we do is we take the 0.5 and multiply that by 60, and that gives us 30 seconds. So in degree, minutes, seconds form, this is 47 degrees, 49 minutes, and 30 seconds. Now for the second one, this one is given to us in radians. So the first thing we have to do is we have to first convert that. So let's see, 3 pi over 7. And we did this in the previous video, and I'll link to that below if you need to look up how to convert from degrees into radians or radians into degrees. In this case, we're going to multiply by 360 over 2 pi. Now the pi's will cancel, but we won't end up with a whole number. So we have 77.1429 degrees. So we'll take that, the 0.1429 degrees, and we multiply by 60. And that gives us 8.571 minutes. And then we take the 0.571 minutes and we'll multiply by 60 again. 0.571 minutes times 60, and that's going to give us the number of seconds. And at this point, we pretty much just have to round off to the nearest second. And so that's going to be 34 seconds. So in degree, minutes, seconds form, it's going to be 77 degrees, 8 minutes, 34 seconds. Because what we do in our final answer is we take the whole numbers that we get, the 77, the 8, and the 34, and that's what shows up here. So here, this is in degree, minutes, seconds form, and we want to put it into decimal form. So what we do is we pretty much do the opposite of what we did up above. So we take 45 seconds and we divide by 60. And so when we do that, we get a decimal of 0.75, and that's going to be in minutes. Now we have to add on the 32 minutes that we started with. So we have 32, now 0.75 minutes, and we'll divide by 60. And that gives us 0.546 degrees. And so we add that on to the whole angle of 102, so it's 0.546 degrees. And so that is our angle in decimal form. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions or problems you want to see worked out, type a comment below. To support the channel, click the Patreon link to help keep this going. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, the best way to understand something is to do it.